Have you ever wondered how mirrors reflect your image perfectly? Today, we are diving into the magic of light. Reflection. Reflection happens when light bounces off a surface. This is why mirrors reflect your image and how light interacts with shiny objects. The key thing to remember is the law of reflection. The angle of which the light hits a surface is called the angle of incidence, and the angle at which it reflects is called the angle of reflection. For our first experiment, you'll need a few materials. Let's see reflection in action. First, put the mirror flat on the table and then take a laser pointer and shine it through the mirror like this. As you move the laser, you'll notice the light beam bounces off the mirror at the same angle at which it strikes. That's the law of reflection. No matter where the light beam hits, the angle of incidence always equals to the angle of reflection. Have you ever tossed a ball and watched it bounce? It seems fun, right? Well, believe it or not, light behaves a similar way when it hits surfaces around us. When light hits an object, it bounces off its surface and travels straight into our eyes. This reflected light is what helps us to see clearly. Cool, right? But it gets more interesting when light goes and hits different surfaces. Will the light get reflected differently? Now, let's dive into an experiment to see this in action. We'll explore how light behaves when it hits smooth and rough surfaces. First, let's take a mirror. Now, let me take a laser and shine it on its smooth and shiny surface. Watch what happens. See that the laser bounces back in a smooth and predictable manner. This is regular reflection. The smooth surfaces allow the light to be reflected evenly, showing a clear and precise image. Now, let's try this experiment with aluminium foil. A rough surface. As you can see, the light is scattering. This is irregular reflection. The rough surfaces cause the light to bounce randomly, creating a blurry and distorted image. So, why does the mirror give us a proper reflection while the foil doesn't? A mirror has a smooth, flat surface. It reflects light evenly, so you can see a clear and sharp image, almost like looking at the object itself. But with crumpled foil, the surface is uneven. Even though it's shiny, the light scatters in many directions, making the reflection distorted and blurry. Now that you have seen how surfaces affect reflections, here's something fun to think about. Can you think of an object that you can find at your home that creates a clear or a blurry reflection? Take a look around. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please check out more of our fun science videos and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.